First Choice Repair Network is different in that this provides a one-stop service really for the insured, from initial communication, rapid response, to problem solving, that they know every step of the way they're working with a trusted partner that has an end goal that aligns with everybody involved.
The First Choice Repair Network, different than others for us, is just a partnership that we have with Security First. We love their communication. We're very valued in the partnership, and we just look forward to a great future.
One of the main things that makes the First Choice Repair Network different than the others is the value in promising and delivery. I mean, the way that they track, the way that they deliver, the way that they produce is, to me, top tier.
What makes the First Choice Network stand out from the others is the hometown feel. When I'm dealing with anyone within the company, I feel like I'm dealing with personally with someone and not with a big corporation. And so it makes everything easier for me, for the clients, and just the claim in general.